guys, this is the finished slime. It's super nice. I like it a lot. The green color is going to change, but right now it's super nice instead of its ugly green colors they end up turning out. Now we're going to add the clay and the glitter. And then this is all for the monster slime. So you can add as much clay as you want, but I'm adding this little at a time. This is right now what I'm adding right now. Cut that in half. Just place that in there. And let it mix. Okay, so my clay is a little dried up because that's what I wanted in my slime. So I would get this super smooth butter slime at the end. But you guys, I would prefer moist clay instead of dried up clay. So that's just what I would prefer. And if your slime's tough like this, just add up a little bit of lotion and your slime will be all back to normal. So I'm going to add the remaining pieces of clay into my slime. Okay, this slime's okay. So I'm gonna go get some glitter. Some lotion and some glitter. I wasn't expecting it to get this hard, but I need what I need. That's all I should need to cut this. What else do I need? Some scissors to cut the glitter packet. Haha. Okay, we're back. Okay. It's been sitting for about half an hour just to get that green color to soak in. Okay. Got my lotion. Should be enough. Did anyone see that? Guys, in a second I will show you what just happened. It always happens and then it's so annoying because I have to clean it up after. Right now my hands have a lotion all over them, so I'll show you guys in a second. It's definitely getting a little better. You can definitely still tell it's a butter slime. It doesn't really have a good spread though, because we're making a monster slime. So and it doesn't have any glitter in it yet, but it will in a few moments if you guys are like a lover of glitter. Okay, this is what I did. I got some on the wall because I popped a bubble. Yeah, that's a no-no. It definitely feels a lot more moldable, and it definitely is. It doesn't have, it's not the best slime this isn't as good as the original monster slime, but it's okay. to add some more lotion just to what I think it needs. I was so scared to pop that lotion bubble, but it didn't squirt anywhere. And I'm so happy I put the right amount of foam beads. There's no fallout at all. It's super stretchy. It's going off camera. And it's like the perfect amount of slime. So now it's a really nice slime. I'm so happy the lotion did it. It gave it this super nice texture. But it's just, I think it's missing one thing. So come with me and I'll go tell you. Come on, let's go. It includes the bathroom. Foaming hand soap. Okay, sounds good. Let's go. Okay, we got foaming hand soap. I'm adding some into the slime. It's just leaking on the bottom. Whatever. Foaming hand soap usually melts the slime, so I'm not gonna add a lot because that turns into a disaster. Yeah. There we go. That should be enough of foaming hand soap just to get that sizzly texture. Maybe I'll do something else to the slime. I'm acting like I don't know what's gonna happen. Guys, I actually have no clue what's happening to this monster slime. Not that good of a spread. But it's okay. Look at that great swirl. Okay, that's a little much of the braggness. I love this slime. Okay, now, before I get too much, we gotta add the glitter. I'm not gonna go nuts with it because it's glitter. I don't think we need to go I think that's enough glitter for the slime because I'm not the biggest fan of glitter. It's messy, but it just makes things shine. But I'm not one of those girly girls. I'm a tomboy. Guys, put in the comments down below if you're a disco girl. Cause, I'm not. I mean, you should save the turtles, but like, Crocs are ugly. I like Vans. I don't, that chapstick isn't my best friend. Scrunchies, hair ties are better. That's me. Not a fan. Okay, let's add some more. For you guys, I'm adding the whole packet. I feel like you guys can't even see the thing. Guys, please don't ever never I've added this much glitter, so that's sizzle. I'm about to add more glitter just